Hello and welcome to today's Swahili lesson. Our topic for today is Swahili interrogatives and its uses. Interrogatives or question words are referred to as vivumishi viulizi in Kiswahili. There are various interrogatives in Kiswahili. Most of them appear at the end of the sentence, but they may also appear at the beginning or middle of the sentence. Let us get started. Gani, what sort, what kind, which. For example, unapenda chakula gani? What kind of food do you like? Wewe unatoka nchi gani? Which country do you come from? Nani, who or whom. For example, nani kasema? Who said? Unafikiri tumsaidie nani? Whom do you think we should help? Wapi, where. For example, tunakwenda wapi? Where are we going? Wewe unaishi wapi? Where do you live? Kwa nini? Why? For example, kwa nini anaitwa Coffee? Why is he called Coffee? Kwa nini hukuniambia? Why didn't you tell me? Mbona, which is same as kwa nini, as in why. For example, mbona unasoma Kiswahili? Why are you studying or learning Swahili? Mbona unapenda pombe? Why do you like alcohol? Ngapi, how many or how much. For example, inauzwa shilingi ngapi? How much is it sold? Una ndugu wangapi? How many siblings do you have? Lini, when. For example, atakuja lini? When will he or she come? Utaimba lini? When will you sing? Nini, what. For example, unapika nini? What are you cooking? Unasoma nini? What are you reading or learning? Kipi, what thing. For example, kitu kipi kimepotea? What thing has gotten lost? Ameleta kipi? What thing has he or she brought? Vipi, how. For example, utaenda vipi kazini? How will you go to work? Umemwelewa vipi? How did you understood him? Kwa sababu gani? For what reason? For example, kwa sababu gani unakwenda mjini? For what reason are you going to town? Unapenda matunda kwa sababu gani? For what reason do you like fruits? Je, which is used at the beginning of the sentence, is a type of interrogatives which inquires a yes or no answer. For example, je, umekula? Have you eaten? The answer should be yes or no. Je, utakwenda? Will you go? Of course, the answer should be yes or no. Okay? And then the je, which is used at the end of the sentence. This means, what about you? Or and you. For example, mimi si jambo, na wewe je? I am fine. What about you? Mimi ni mwalimu, na wewe je? I am a teacher. And you? And then the last one is the verb, is the je, which is attached to a verb. Okay? For example, this one means how. For example, unaendeleaje? How are you doing? Uliendaje shuleni leo? How did you go to school today?